Let's unpack this, because ZenBusiness isn't just another service. It's designed to be a comprehensive partner for your business, from its very first breath to its ongoing growth. Imagine having a guide who knows all the ins and outs of business formation, compliance, and even setting up your online presence and finances. That's essentially what ZenBusiness aims to be. At its core, ZenBusiness is an online platform that helps entrepreneurs simplify the process of starting, running, and growing a small business. Their services are designed to cut through the complexity and allow you to focus on your brilliant ideas, rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. So, let's dive into the specifics of what ZenBusiness offers, breaking it down into key areas. 1. Business formation, making it official effortlessly. This is perhaps ZenBusiness's most widely recognized service. They specialize in helping you legally form your business entity, primarily limited liability companies, LLCs, and corporations, S-Corp and C-Corp. Think about it. Deciding on your business structure, filing the necessary documents with the state, ensuring everything is compliant. It can be a headache. ZenBusiness streamlines this entirely. LLC formation. This is a popular choice for many small business owners due to its liability protection and flexible taxation. ZenBusiness guides you through the entire LLC formation process, from checking if your desired business name is available in your state to preparing and filing your articles of organization. They ensure accuracy and submit all the required paperwork, taking that huge burden off your shoulders. They even offer a free starter package where you just pay state fees, making it incredibly accessible for those just beginning. Corporation formation. For businesses that require more formal structure, ZenBusiness also assists with S-Corp and C-Corp filings. They handle the intricate details of incorporating your business, ensuring you meet all state and federal requirements. Name availability search. Before you even file, ZenBusiness helps you check if your chosen business name is available, preventing delays and rework. If it's not, they'll work with you to find suitable alternatives. Operating agreement. For LLCs, an operating agreement is a crucial document that outlines ownership, member responsibilities, and operating procedures. ZenBusiness provides tailored operating agreement templates, ensuring your business has a solid internal framework. EIN acquisition. An employer identification number, EIN, often called a federal tax ID number, is essential for most businesses, especially if you plan to hire employees or open a business bank account. ZenBusiness can obtain this for you from the IRS, saving you another complex step. 2. Ongoing compliance. Staying on the right side of the law. Forming your business is just the first step. Maintaining its legal standing and complying with state regulations is an ongoing responsibility. This is where ZenBusiness's worry-free compliance service truly shines. Registered agent service. Every registered business entity needs a registered agent, a designated point of contact for legal and tax correspondence. ZenBusiness provides this service, often including it for free for the first year with their formation packages. This ensures you never miss important legal notices or deadlines. Annual report filing. Most states require businesses to file annual reports to keep their information updated. ZenBusiness handles this for you, sending reminders and preparing the necessary documents, helping you avoid penalties and maintain good standing. Amendment filings. As your business evolves, you might need to make changes to your official filings, such as updating your business address or ownership. ZenBusiness assists with these amendment filings, ensuring your records are always accurate and up-to-date. Compliance alerts. Their platform provides regular alerts for important filing deadlines and compliance requirements specific to your state, offering peace of mind and preventing oversights. 3. Growing your business. Beyond the basics. ZenBusiness isn't just about formation and compliance. They offer a suite of services designed to help you establish and grow your business in the digital age and manage your finances. Business website and domain name. In today's world, an online presence is non-negotiable. ZenBusiness offers tools to help you create a professional website, register your domain name, and even set up a business email address, giving your venture a polished and legitimate feel. They offer an AI website builder to make this process even simpler. Business banking and money management. Managing your finances is critical. ZenBusiness provides services to help you set up a business bank account, track income and expenses, send invoices, and even identify tax deductions with their Money Pro service. This streamlines your financial operations and prepares you for tax season. They are a fintech company and partner with banks to offer these services. Tax services. They offer accounting and bookkeeping services, often with access to a CPA for ongoing support. They also provide free tax savings consultations, helping you understand your tax obligations and maximize deductions. Business document templates. Access to a library of essential business document templates, such as contracts, proposals, and employment agreements, saves you time and legal fees. Google Ads Credit. Some of their packages include Google Ads Credit, helping you kickstart your online marketing efforts and attract new customers. Legal services. While not a law firm, ZenBusiness offers resources and guidance, and in some plans, provides access to legal document templates and support, helping you navigate common legal aspects of running a business. 4. Customer support and user experience. One of ZenBusiness's key differentiators, often highlighted in reviews, is its commitment to customer support and user-friendliness. Intuitive platform. Their online platform is designed to be easy to navigate, even for those with no prior business experience. The step-by-step guidance makes complex processes feel straightforward. Responsive support. They offer phone, email, and web chat support, with a team readily available to answer questions and provide assistance. This is particularly valuable for new entrepreneurs who may have many queries. Accuracy guarantee. ZenBusiness stands by the accuracy of their filings, offering to correct any errors on their part, which provides a significant layer of security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.